Building with Papa. All right, these are the holes we made for running the pipe. Okay, I've done the drywall repairs, skimmed it out. Now I have to put up the visqueen and get ready to do the knockdown texture. Okay, I'm using the Wagner Tech sprayer. It's a small little gun that's great for these little jobs. When you're spraying the texture, go in a circular motion and then overlap your pattern. This way you spread it out nice and even. If you see where I had replaced the drywall and I mudded all the way up the wall to try and get it flat. Okay, now it's all sprayed. We gotta let it get somewhat dry and then we can do the knockdown. Okay, looking good. And now this is how your this is how your knockdown texture is, all splattered. Okay, then we go up and we start to knock it down. See how nice it looks knocked down, and then where the bumpy stuff is? Just keep doing that. Okay, now when you're using your trowel, you just pull it lightly. You don't put a lot of pressure on it. You don't want to make it flat. You just want to knock it down. That's what it's called, knock down. So it leaves it rough but flat on the very surface. Okay? It's coming together. Looking good. Okay. You may have to go over a few areas a couple times, put a little bit more pressure or less pressure. You'll figure it out. Then once it dries, we paint it. Wow, look at it now. It's all painted. You can't even tell that we had 3 holes in this wall. It came together really nicely. Put 2 coats of paint on, cleaned up really good. All right, Building with Papa. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Give me a thumbs up.